Good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing today? That's good, Chula. Guys, if you hear some banging, they're building next door, so I apologize about that. Is there anyone here who watched the speech last night? Not this. What's up, Carl? What's up, Wayne? What's up, Omar? Alright, so let's just touch on the speech from last night. Alright, so in the breakdowns given for the week, I discussed possible scenarios for the speech, and what we had happen was, if you have a look at the headlines here, we could just sum it up really here on Forex Factory. I don't want to over tighten. Cutting rates is not something to do too soon. Fed will need to hold policy at restrictive levels for some time. Slowing down at this point is a good way to balance risks. So slowing down, that's taken as more dovish, alright, or weak or bad for the dollar, but overall more mixed, more dovish than anything, mostly priced in information already. So as discussed, we could see some further pullbacks or ranging here on gold. We have had this move to the upside. Your daily closed bullish here, and then as expected we have filled this range up to 1780. So we'll most likely see further ranging or further moves up here on gold up until the December FOMC. So for today, I will be happy to take buys above 1783. Alright, but we've had quite a nice strong push. We could always get a pullback back down to like 1760 before continuing up, and then, you know, price would just be in a range here. So we've had quite a nice clean move already. Breaks above 1784, 1783 would be nice for some continuation buys. Alright, but for now we are just trading below that area. Your monthly candle, let's just discuss the monthly real quick as well. So monthly we closed very bullish here. If you're looking at the dollar index, alright, this is just going to give us some insight into what the dollar is doing in and of itself. Overall, we are seeing some higher time frame pullbacks. We had a pretty bearish candle last month as a result from that higher CPI, or lower CPI, excuse me. But still overall trading above this 102 key area on the monthly. As drawn out yesterday, we could still get pullbacks into there before driving all the way up to 120. This is obviously higher time frame. This will take some time to play out, but just getting a nice higher time frame overview so that we know what's going on right now. And then on gold, like I say, we got this strong bullish closure. We closed back above these previous key areas. Alright, but I wouldn't expect us to just run all the way back up to these highs unless we had some sort of catalyst. Right now, like I say, the information we received yesterday was pretty much priced in, and like I say, I'm not really anticipating us to move all the way back to the highs. We'll just have to take it as it comes. I think December will be pretty slow, and yeah, I'm only here for a few more days on stream, and then next year's a new year. GJ, let's have a quick look at GJ on the monthly. So a monthly candle here on GJ closed bearish, but we are still closing back above this previous monthly resistance. Overall, still very bullish, as you can see. I don't really want to see us break last month's candle low, but I'd say higher time frame we would still be bullish as long as we're respecting 160. The analysis for the week, I did discuss potential pullbacks into 164. So still looking for buys around this area, but we have to just keep in mind what's going on the lower time frame. So right now we are quite bearish. What I would need to see is what I would need to see is us tap back into this key area at like 164, and then I want to see this bullish structure start coming back into the picture. Right now GJ a little bit choppy. Most recent price action, we have had a closure below the support. We've had a nice little pullback and retest, so looking to drive down to 164.350 today. One of my concerns is just this range here to the left is quite choppy, so we could reject any of these areas. Based off the daily, you could say that this is clean traffic to 164.350. So with volume, you might see us fill this range here. We had a support here on the hourly, which we've now closed below. Just a little bit of a tough situation here. What would be a nice setup here is if this current hourly candle had pulled back, created a steeper top wick, and then we could have had a sell stop on the flip of this candle. And then basically as we feel this previous hourly wick go break even. The thing is to have sell stops on the break of this previous hourly low. There's not really enough range moving down. Alright, we've got a support right here, about 7 pips away. Five-minute setup looks pretty clean. What I'll do is I'll wait for the 15-minute candle to close. If we can close bearish like this, I'll look at potential sells on GJ. And then here on gold, what would be really nice to see is just a closure back above 1784 to move back up to 1802. Could even get just a break above and then a retest and then a move up to 1802. Daily candle, no bottom wick. Not too concerned about this if we're breaking above 1784. For sells, I'd need to see us trading back below 1762, even safer sells below 1747. If we don't manage to break above 1784, we could even see pullbacks into 1762 to then continue up here. So that's gold in a nutshell. Merry Christmas. Morning DJ, morning Nico, morning Jared, morning Chad. What's up, guys? So yeah, just waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Don't really like selling into this previous 30-minute bullish candle here, because you could say that we formed support right here, and this is around 165 flat, which is a pretty important area. You know what? I'm not gonna be interested in sales here right now. It's a very key demand area, and I don't think we have enough range moving down. Looking to the left, look at these reactions to 165 in the past. Daily candle here on GJ actually closed bullish yesterday. Very interesting. Off of quite a key area here as well. I'd be more interested in buys if we can break above 165, 550. Alright, your 15-minute candle closed bearish here. So I was looking at these potential sells if the 15-minute candle closed bearish. But I'm not convinced really. The 30-minute closed bullish here. And I'm concerned we don't have enough range moving down. think this is valid on the hourly. Like I say, hourly, we've got that close below support. Got a wick to fill here. But yeah, if I'm not comfortable, I'd rather just sit back and observe. I've only got a few more days left of the year, so I'll be taking it slow. Morning. Good and you, man?
Good, thanks. Sure, dude, gold, yeah.
I'm quite annoyed. I did stupid shit twice this morning already.
Really?
I didn't take any L's. I just could have had more money.
Yeah.
Secured too soon or what?
So the first time I got in, either the candle broke the high on 80.15 gold.
Oh yeah.
Took a bar there. Okay, firstly, let me explain something. So my chart's different on MetaTrader 4. So I wasn't looking at TradingView at all, bro. Like, TradingView looks completely different. So it doesn't make sense on TradingView. But on my broker, about 80.15, there's a break of, it was a break of the hour highs, okay? So then it broke it, and then it went through maybe like 7 pips into profit, and then came down underneath my entry and stayed there for a bit. So when I went back over break even, I closed my trade. Actually, like 2 minutes later, it ran up by like 25 pips or something. And then I was like, okay, that's fucking lovely. And then what does Nico go and do? He gets FOMO, enters the fucking trade again when it comes back. And I entered on 81.3. And then I was like, well, that's fucking lovely. Now I'm FOMOing, and now I'm in a worse trade, basically. Then I just put stop loss underneath the previous hour, and then it never hit, and then it went back up past my entry now again, and then I closed again on a little bit, and it once again ran up.
Where was your initial stop loss for the first trade?
Underneath, there was a 30 minutes underneath the previous. That was like so small, but like 9 pips something or something. On my broker, there's a 30-minute that was very small. 30 minutes should be this. You see what you're looking at, Connor?
Yeah.
The break of that, when that break happened on that level of that, you see the bearish candle to the left of the wick?
Yeah, that's how I got it.
Yeah, when that happened, I got in, and then I got in at 81 again. And then both of them are talk, bro. Fucking them both out 10 times too early. I don't know why I pulled out. The second one, maybe I can understand. The first one, I'm a fucking idiot. Because the first one I had stopped in a good place, and it ran up to a break even, if you want to put it that way.
Why didn't you just manage risk or give it a little bit more of a chance here?
Never came down enough to manage risk, and I don't know. Like I said, that's what I'm saying. I did stupid shit. I closed like it was a valid trade. It broke highs.
Well, like when it came back to break even, just close half if you're not feeling confident in it anymore.
If I was in the trade still, then I would have gotten the 20 plus pips. Would have closed out maybe the full position, because it was a trade before stream, so I might have just closed up full position. But like I say, I didn't leave it. Also would have been on break even and would have secured something, if not everything. So I didn't trust the trade. That's why I say I felt retarded about it, and then exited.
Should have trusted the trade.
You're talking about a trade that you like, was yesterday in New York. I took a sell. Also, okay, I'll admit it was a bit of a firmer trade because it broke the high, then it came back down, broke the low. Then I was like, oh wait, got in on the low, and dude, I literally had I think it was, let me just work it out quickly with the measuring tool. It was a 52 pip stop, right? 51 pip stop. Dude, this thing went to 50 point like 50.7, dude. It was so close to my stop loss. Like, folks, I'm talking ridiculously close. Then came down. Yeah, I came back all the way, dude. And then I managed to close 50% at I think it was 40 something, 43 pips.
But
Yo, dude. And then I just went break
wait.
even.
So it came to stop loss of 50 pips. Never hit it because it was very close. Came back 90 pips, and that's where you closed out 50%.
Yeah, so it went up like
The FOMC
let's
or
say.
something.
No, never mind. Carry on.
Yeah, there was news, but I wasn't really paying attention to the news because I'm not really the biggest news trader. And then obviously it even broke the wick high of the previous candle. My stop was a few pips above that, and then came down right back to entry, ran 43 pips, decided okay cool, close half, stop loss at break even, and then then it took me out at break even, and then it pushed fucking like
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you close full at 43 pips if you know that that thing just moved 90 pips? So coming back to break even for 40 pips is like, seems like it's easy. Or did you just close that?
The thing was, I knew there was news, so I knew there was a lot of volume, and also with the 51 pips off, I was still only risking 1%, so I was still chill.
Under-rested, okay, I feel.
So it wasn't over risking.
That's chilling then, yeah, because I mean, fuck, if you want your runner to make more, so that makes sense.
So I was still chilling. It was like yesterday with that 10 pip scalp that we took after stream. That was also a percent. So
did you see how close to phone about the phone to me and you, and then it goes to our 10 pips instantly, bro. When I put the phone down, it was really fucking there.
It did.
You just need to move close again, bro.
So Jared, did you take your trade before news?
It was I took the trade at 3:15. So I think it actually was before news.
And same time as ADP. Don't you wait for news?
Yesterday I liked. So I had that sell bias in my head. Obviously, we were at a decent level, and then we were breaking the low. So I was just expecting volume to come and push all the way down. But obviously, it came up retested and then started pushing. So it wasn't really like news wasn't 100% in my mind yesterday. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Should have been,
like
Jared.
I wasn't basing it off numbers or this or that.
You know what I did last night?
What?
I took an L yesterday. So like late afternoon. I can't remember what time, but let's just say late afternoon. I took an L. It was like cool, and then I chowed an edible and some ice cream, bro, together because it's a brownie. I was chowing it. And then, but that's a way stronger edible. It's a 500 milligram edible. So chowed, lekker, chilling now because I'm not trading, playing games, nothing, just chilling.
Yeah.
In fact, bro, I'm like, now I'm gonna go sleep now. Go to bed. It's literally like 10 to 9. FOMC is pumping at the moment. I don't know if FOMC is pumping, bro. I go look at my phone. I check. Yes, this gold's reacting to something. I wonder what's going on, bro. To now, I'm gonna scalp this bitch. Start scalping it. I've got 3 scalps, and I mean, it made me money, all 3 of them. But I didn't leave them in for long. I scalped. So anything over 10 bucks, I put out on. And then this morning I wake up and it went like, I think 110 pips from our first entry. It went up still. Like, oh wait.
Connor, are you in on that trade?
No, I was just discussing. This is what I was looking for, but I said I wasn't really comfortable with it, so this is just like a info trade.
Oh, yeah, I get you. Sorry, I put the stream on mute when we in the Discord, so then you went in yet.
Oh, okay.
So
it's weird how this shit works, bro. That you're coming through loud as fuck on my laptop, but you can't hear yourself. The moment I unpause your YouTube, you can hear yourself clear as day, which is not the same concept. But it's just because the mark is on Discord.
Yeah.
It's weird. It's weird how it works.
Oh,
I think Discord maybe also the noise suppression helps.
Oh yeah, makes sense. I don't know. Maybe it's just a setting that you don't hear
Yeah, I don't know.
at your leg con. How's that feeling?
Chilled. Oh, what's up, you quick?
I wonder why. Icon. Speaking about a mic, Niku, what is a good headset for PS4 that you can actually speak into?
Bro, Turtle Beaches. Jesus. Okay, Astros are probably the best. But
Yeah.
they're expensive as fuck, dude. Like, I think the cheapest thing is, you know.
Turtle Beaches.
Wait. Listen, mate, we said we're waiting for GJ. We're waiting for something on GJ. So we want sells, yes, but we're waiting for confirmation on certain things. Yes, we are sell bias as well at the moment on GJ. But yeah, it's Turtle Beaches, bro. They're like,
Is that a headphone brand?
Yeah, it looks like
Turtle Beaches, yeah.
Turtle Beaches Recon. Yo, some of them are expensive.
Yeah, bro, but you can get. I think there's turtles for 700 that are decent,
Yeah.
bro. The ones I had was 1.6. But they are like, bro. The ones I had for 1.6 were 8 years old before they broke. So I mean, fuck.
What?
Oh, dude,
That's
and I'm talking
crazy.
about proper qualities, bro. Like you can
Yeah.
hear. Bro, there's something called sound boring, bro. What? Steel Series is tops as well. Okay, I don't know Steel Series. I just know about Turtles and Astros, bro. So Astros. Oh, Chad, bro, we need you in the chat, my friend.
What?
Someone's chatting his language with me. Yeah, see, Fabio says he also had Turtles, but he's talking about Steel Series. So I mean, check into Steel Series as well. I don't know them.
Oh yeah.
The Turtle Beaches are fucking, and they're comfortable, bro. That's the thing I liked about the Turtles the most, because I've tried my mates Astros and they're not that comfortable. So if you get just a friendly warning, if you get anything that has okay, I doubt you'll get a headset like this, but if you get a headset that's like really quality, like an Astros, the old Astros used to come with an amp that you plug into your PlayStation, so that it's like proper clear fucking
An amp, even.
Yeah, bro.
Jesus.
Deep shit. Now the thing is like kind of like, I think it's built into the headset or some shit. I don't know, but I don't think you get an amp now. Now the thing is, all the headsets that have the amp, you need a certain PlayStation to plug the amp in into the back. That PlayStation you cannot take it because it's the slim, Jared. So like, I never got Astros. Okay, that's not the only reason. Turtles are more comfortable.
Yeah. I love that you said, I doubt you'll get one like that. That makes you want to go swim buy one now. I hate when people do that to me.
I doubt that you have the. I never doubted that you have the money to buy one. I just doubt that you're stupid enough to go buy a fucking 3,000.
Okay. Chat. 30-minute closing bearish is a slightly better confirmation, yeah. Yeah, we can do this.
Mine's taking the piss out of you.
I'll read now.
Yeah, Wayne remembers the story about the laptop.
Yeah. So yeah. There are some decent ones here, but not too pricey. Because in all honesty, I'm not a gamer, so I don't want to buy something crazy expensive.
What's his Turtles? Are you looking there?
Yeah, I'm looking at Turtle Beaches headset.
I'm irritated, bro. That trade I had at 81.3, the TV was 83, bro. And 83.20 on the GP.
Okay, chat. Sell stops on the break of previous 30-minute lows here on GJ at 164.950.
164.950.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make some coffee while you do the sell stop on GJ, because I'm not gonna take GJ.
Alright, if you see anything on the prices on turtles, show me on WhatsApp.
Okay, I will do. Thank you.
Jet Imran, Wusa, brother, Wusa.
And then stop loss. Yeah, stops above previous 30-minute candle, yeah. Just gonna make them 20 pips. So 165, 150 will be my stops.
What, do you want to try to get break even by the bottom of that wick?
Yeah, either bottom of the wick or as we move into... I'd prefer to go break even as we move into the support here to the left. 164, 790, let's say.
Okay, so 6 pips underneath that wick. Okay.
Yeah.
You know what I'm thinking about Connor, bro? I don't
Yeah.
know why I didn't put, because I'm trading on a way smaller account on my live now. I should have gone to Blueberry, bro, not RC, just for the no commission. You know?
Yeah. Fuck, commission's charming me even.
I think, yeah, bro, that's why I'm thinking that would have been smart, dude. Just because it's a smaller account compared to the funded, I think.
Yeah, on the funded, like, the commission
Would have
kind of
made
just...
sense, bro.
You don't even notice it.
Oh, on the funded you don't notice it for real, but wait. What's this trade called, Connor?
I suppose it kind of does look like a celery play. Right now it looks like a barcode play.
I wanted to message you this morning to take that bound gold. Toby was talking to me, so I like just entered it and left it.
Yeah, like Wayne said, I think you should have just had a bit more faith in your analysis.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, come on, bro. The trade makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, it does.
Small stop.
And there was still plenty of range here to
100%. No,
the
I know,
high
I know.
783.
Okay, leave me alone. I know, I fucked up. Leave me alone. Hey, you leave me alone too.
There was really nowhere else for price to go.
We should make our own names. Yeah, I mean...
Nah, that's fucking missions. I'm not gonna use those names. I'll just say it how it is, you know.
Okay, you're not looking for a salary play, but what you just saw now happened to be the same thing. But
Yeah.
Wayne knows what that setup looks like because of the salary play, you know. So it's normal, bro.
The setup
That's
is a
why-
Borovos drop. Oh my.
Fucking hell, imagine.
Oh my word.
Imagine someone buys your fucking
That's
your
beautiful.
course, buys your course, and then they get to the Borovos drop page, the Borovos drop setup. Some American, bro.
Borovos.
I was trying to do the same thing now, Connor. Were you sitting trying to think how they would say it?
Yeah, I'm trying to think how someone else would say it.
I'm trying to do the same thing. I just don't sound like a fucking idiot on stream. I'm trying to say like how they would. Oh shit. God, you feeling all good today, bro?
Me? Yeah, I'm feeling fine.
uh,
No, actually, it feels very chilled. I fucking forgot.
100%. Everything's good, bro. For sure.
And you?
No, not really. Duh.
Man's immune.
Yeah, so I'm going for tattoo today.
Really?
Yeah, are you gonna come say how's it?
What time you going?
I'm going after the stream. I'm just gonna shower and then take my sister to drive. And then I'm gonna go.
Oh, yeah? Are you finishing your sleeve?
Finishing, well, as much as we can today, yeah, so the top. Because we'll probably tattoo for like maybe like 5 to 6 hours.
Jesus.
So I'll be there from like 11 ish to about like 5ish, 6ish.
Yes, that's like a whole day of work, dude.
Yeah, my friend. It's lawn work and shit, so it takes some time.
Yeah, I'll maybe pop in.
That's what I'm saying. I'm there, so like you can come pop in whenever. It's not like I'm only there for an hour. Hey, come on, yeah, between here and here, come quick.
Yeah.
Seeing that you have no tattoos, you can just come see how it's done. You know what I mean?
Okay.
least we got a top week before we got entered into this, so that's a nice confirmation too.
Yeah, I don't think I would have had these sell stops if we just broke the low straight. I just saw it push up, so I thought, okay, nice, we're getting that top wick. Looks a little bit better.
We are respecting body hours so far, so I mean, if we can respect body hour all week hours, we can come back. It'll be a nice entry then. Because there's no way we're making that top wick to the top and nothing to the bottom. So.
Yeah, we basically have like a minor resistance right here, which we've just about tapped into.
Close
So
to
that
the
could be your
right?
top wick for the 30-minute.
I wish you,
Gonna be a nice top week.
wish we were talking on Discord or some shit last night when I took those FOMC trades, bro.
You know, it's not FOMC, it was just Jerome Powell.
Whatever it was, bro. I don't even know what it was. I'm not fucking trading it. That's all I know. I looked at the chart, saw gold doing some stupid shit. Oh wait, let's get involved. That's all.
Bro, I listened to that speech. Oh my fuck.
Do you listen to
It's so stupid.
You listen to the speeches.
I don't always know, but last night I did.
Yeah, it makes
Because
me feel
I
like-
just wanted to get an idea of what's to come for the December FOMC, but it's not looking that great, eh?
Fast up on gold. To be honest, I don't think so because aren't we at a very high resistance now?
Yeah, I wouldn't just buy stop.
84 is coming up, bro. That 84, 85 range is coming up, so I wouldn't just bar stop now.
With volume, look, you could get a nice push on the break of these highs, but I wouldn't
it's
anticipate us to
breaking-
fill this range. I would, you know, like I said, I wanted to see a closure above 1784, or even a break and retest of this level.
That's because the previous hour was getting broken. I think that's why they asked for bar stops if we should pass.
No,
No, I don't think based on the previous hour break you should bar stop just because it's breaking the previous hour. Just look at the chart from a little bit more back and zoomed out.
yeah, we're
Yeah,
still trading
okay.
below this resistance here. We could even reject 1783.5, 1784.
Yeah, it's with London Open coming up, if it does change direction, we might see volume to the downside now to correct some of it. Maybe. Who knows?
So-
But yeah, London might push this thing to 18. Who knows? Who knows?
It
I
could,
can
but
see-
yeah, you know, I always say that the market's gonna do what the market wants. So yeah, we've already pushed up like 200 pips. The market can push up another 200 pips if it wants to. But let's be
The thing
realistic, like to have bar stops here, to really like anticipate another 200 pip move is just pushing it. I'd want to wait for a better setup here.
So
There's
I
the
can
man
see-
grabbing 50 pips on gold. Anyways, carry on.
I can see where he's coming from with the buy stop. That it does look like it's good to drive up. But I think a smarter move would first, if you go to the daily time frame con.
Yeah,
Then I think breaking above those rejection wicks, closing above today, will give you a lot better chance than just buy stopping now. I'm gonna chill on those bars because I wanted to close above those rejection wicks, and then we have that clean traffic.
yeah, no, look,
But like 86, bro. Around 86 something, there's a nice opportunity for bar stop there, like 86.6, I think. If it has to break that, it should show
86.5.
some kind of something like that. So
the thing is, when we've had such a strong push already, this is not really when I want to be doing impulse entries. Impulse entries, I prefer when we've had a period of consolidation. For instance, like right here.
Bro, this move is 400 pips altogether already. It wouldn't make sense to kind of bar stop.
So like while we were consolidating there, you know, sell stop on the break of these lows, that like that could work, but right now bar stops to me make no sense.
Listen, after 400 pips, we might see this thing decide that it's found its resistance now.
Yeah,
So-
we could easily reject 1784. And then, like I said, you know, even come back down to 1762 before continuing up. Otherwise, you're looking for the break above 1784. But to buy into this resistance is,
Your choice.
yeah.
No, you do.
Yeah,
you do.
that was a good one. Eh?
No. We're giving you our opinion, but your opinion is what you make of it. So. But can I tell you something I look at as well, Connor? You see that the body half of the so the body half of the previous hour, 4 hours, sorry, closed the same level as the previous 4 hours wick half.
Oh, yeah.
That is something I look at because I just feel like that's like this resistance is being formed and shown at that level and then next level. I don't know how to explain it, but on 1 hour when it starts happening, it's normally when you see like an engulfing bearish bear or engulfing bull candle happen, is when those wicks, the bodies start matching the wicks, just breaking out above the previous wick and then coming back, closing in line with it. The next one breaks that previous one as well, comes back, closes in line. It sets up for like an engulfing bear to happen, in my opinion. Oh, well, that's what I've noticed happening.
If you look at this 4-hour wick you're talking about, if you mark that up as a level, and then you go down to the lower time frame, I mean, that acted as quite a nice, oh well, that was 1780 on the dot. So yeah, that did act as quite a nice level.
Bro, like I told you, let me just actually show you my chart, bro. You have MT4 on your phone?
No, only MT5.
Oh wait, I'm gonna show you where I got involved on this trade, bro. This thing looks beautiful from MT4.
Alright, so we've broken previous 30-minute highs here on GJ. We could still come back down, flip bearish here. I'm gonna keep them in for another 5 minutes or so, see what happens. Your 15 is about to close bullish, but if we can close respecting this previous support at 165, 150, we could just be creating resistance right there to still drive down here. Based off the hourly, sells are still pretty much valid. You did get that closure below here on the hourly. Previous 30 is still bearish. And if this current candle comes back down and flips bearish now and triggers us into sells, I'll just use current candle stops for about 25 pips.
GBPJPY is a sell set. So then sell it. Yeah.
The sell setup, doesn't that mean that's faking it? Doesn't even mean like it's not a sell to buy. So you're saying that we shouldn't sell it, it's going to turn into a bullish market.
What the fuck?
That's what this man's saying.
You said it's a sell setup for sells.
It's a setup, bro. In other words, we're setting ourselves up for failure right now.
Oh.
I'm joking, bro.
I was going to say Niku.
I'm wondering what the fuck are you going on about, Nico?
Dude.
But I hear you.
You had me in the first half there, I won't lie.
To be honest, it can be taken both ways. Just because I said it now, it can be taken that way because I'm thinking about it now. Here's Razor's bucket list. See, we've got some more returning people. Stop on go.
What's up, Razor? Hey yo, look at Wayne dropping bombs here. Setup and entry, not the same thing. You can have a setup, but entry opportunity never presents itself. You have to be patient. Sheesh, that's
why it's
cold.
a mod, dude.
Yeah, facts.
We only have quality mods there.
What do we have this FFF trader guard then if we have quality mod?
No clue, dude. I'm also just as shocked there. That was a poor decision on management side there.
I think Connor was drunk on
Yeah,
It's okay.
heard that guy was a scammer.
It's true, he is.
And scam people on Forex and in chess, you know. Yes.
Nah, he's after your goggles pension there.
He tried to scam people in chess, and those people get put in checkmate with the knights.
He DM'd me on IG asking me for $2,000. He'll turn it into 2 billion.
So please tell me, if I use $100 account, which lot size I use? Thank you.
0.01.
0.01 or 0.02. It's basically at 0.02 is a 2% risk for you. But honestly, on smaller accounts, I wouldn't look at a 1% risk. I'd look at like 2% risk, because it's just,
I think when you're trading a $100 account, you're not always going to be able to risk 1%. I would say use a 0.02, and then you also have options to manage risk with that. So you can close out partials. With a 0.01, you can't manage risk.
It's just a side tip for a $100 account. If you're using proper risk management, it's going to take you a very long time with extremely good trading to grow it. Rather focus on capital preservation and putting more money into the account.
or Gail, like what you can do is like, don't look at the money you're making. Use proper risk management and just look at your percent. Don't be looking at the numbers, because the numbers will not be something to excite you that much. Like you're gonna be making like $3-4 dollars. I mean, that's nothing to get excited about, but yes, your account's gonna compound. But if you look at percent, you're making a lot of percent. So you know that if you get a bigger account, you're gonna be making the same percent, but it will be bigger returns, as long as you don't focus on the numbers now.
But definitely focus on keeping that capital. Don't go balls to the wall now, trying to flip it. And then over time, save another $100, save another $100. If you have an extra $30 at the end of the month, you can put it into it. Do that. Honestly, that's the way you're going to grow.
In the same breath, if that $100 is like next to nothing to you, like, I mean, you can put another $100 in whenever you want to. I would use a 0.05 or even a 0.10, because you can afford to. You can afford to try to grow the account fast, and if you do mess it up and it does go the wrong way, you can afford to put another $100 in. After that, maybe even another $100 or another $100.
I'll be honest, trading a $100 account is very difficult.
Extremely.
Because you are going to want to see these bigger returns. It's just human nature. So you can make $5 on your $100 account and you may not be satisfied, but in reality that is 5%. And I can shout that at you all day that you made 5% and that's great, but it's not going to feel that way for you. It won't. You do want more. So yeah, it's good to practice with real money. It's going to help build your psychology, but understand a $100 account, you're not going to grow that to $1 million anytime soon. I'm not saying it's impossible, but what are the chances? So just be realistic about it. $100 is very, very difficult to trade with. You're probably better off saving that money, but at the same time, you will certainly get benefits trading real money. You will start to develop the psychology you need. So I do tell guys, once you've been on a demo for a certain amount of time, before you put in a decent amount of capital, start with a $100 account. Go and lose that $100 account, so you can start to develop the psychology that you need when it comes to trading real money. But if that is all you have available to you, just don't rush it right now. Develop the skill and understand that if you can have the discipline, the consistency, there are other options to increase your capital like funding companies. I don't want to keep preaching funding companies because, like I say, guys, you have to be consistent and you have to be disciplined. You're not just going to jump into a funded challenge and become a millionaire. It's not easy, is what I'm trying to say. It's not easy money, but it's there if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to develop the discipline and consistency. But $100 account, it's going to be tough.
And as well, if you're going to be trading, right, and you want to take a funded challenge, maybe use the profits from one of your accounts to buy your first funding challenge. So that, because that's going to show you it's funding challenges are very cheap, and that's the thing that a lot of people fall into, in my opinion, is they get the smallest account you can, they pay the minimum, expecting they're going to make such good returns. It's a no-brainer. It comes so easy because it's so cheap that you don't necessarily care about it. I could see where that stance comes from. So if you work and you trade up, you make profit, and then you use that profit to fund your first funding challenge, I could see how that could benefit you a lot.
Funding challenges are not really cheap though. It depends, I suppose, how you view it. But the other thing is, some guys are failing, trying again, failing, trying again. And at that point, they do become expensive. And you are just wasting money at that point.
I mean, shit, yes. If you can take one funded account and make that one work, then yes, that account was cheap. And technically, if you're losing your accounts only after your first payout, that's fine as well, because you're getting paid your money back that you paid for the account. So that makes up. But if you're failing on phase 1 or phase 2 already, that's just going to eat your money, dude. But I mean, funded companies are probably the best opportunity for people that do not have capital, but have the knowledge and the, I wouldn't say experience, because obviously you're not there yet, but
the skill,
knowledge and the skill set you've put the effort into learning. Then funded companies are your best opportunity to make money for yourself. 100%. There is no talk about it. It's 100%. Because if you have the skill set, you've trained for it, then I mean, actually you're just going to implement everything you trained for yourself for. So
what's up, boys? Yesterday was crazy. Just stumbled upon the stream. Feel like walking away from the market for the day. What's your take on the news coming out today in the States?
What up, Gareth? Welcome to the stream. News coming out today. Core PCE. That's going to give us some insight into what's going on with inflation. So that will be interesting for sure. But we can see right now at the moment, Jerome Powell's speech is holding a lot of weight. He's just got like a mixed or dovish sentiment here. So we're seeing dollar weakness. We're seeing gold bars, US 30 bars as a result of that. And that's most probably holding the most weight, as we can see. So even like NFP, for instance, it will be interesting to see what happens, but I think at the end of the day, that's not going to hold too much weight. We could see some whipsaws, we could see if numbers come out bad, we could see a strong move up on gold. But overall, what's holding the most weight is this monetary policy, inflation, interest rates. And that was, I think, the highlight of the week was Fed Powell's speech. And we've seen a really nice strong move up here on gold. So we'll see if the data comes out supporting gold buys. So if we get bad data for the dollar, then obviously buys above 1784 are going to look really good up to 1802. If a beginner starts trading in Forex, what's the minimum required? Like I told you, $100 is going to be very tough. I would say like maybe
beginner, go demo, then come trade long.
Yeah.
Next year's another time, bro. Like this year's finished. Don't try get used to December market and then January comes and you're like, what's going on with the market? Meanwhile, January is normal market, December is the messed up one.
I'm gonna delete sell stops here. Our hourly candle's about to close. So we'll just wait for this candle to close here. 15 minutes looks like we are forming resistance right there at 165, 150. Hourly, not doing too much right now.
Why are you deleting it?
Hourly candle's about to close.
So?
I just want to see how the new hourly candle opens up.
What, just in case it comes down, puts us in and goes back up?
Yeah.
Okay. I was thinking it's not London open, so I was just curious to why you're deleting it.
No, I normally want to be deleting pending orders before the new hourly candle opens.
I know you said so.
30-minute looks really ugly. 15 minutes, if we close bearish like that, we can say that we are respecting this previous support and we formed resistance. 5-minute looks pretty clean.
Looks like ours gonna close bearish though.
Hourly, even if it closes doji and we get that break of the low on the new hourly, I would expect us to drive down for the rest of this range, and then we'll be looking to carry this trade through to 164, 350. Alright.
GJ.
Yes.
GJ, bro, likes to play with feelings, dude. This thing, GJ and feelings are like best friends, I'm telling you. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. But still, let's just wait for this candle to close, wait for a little bit of a top wick, and then we're gonna have sell stop. Well, I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of this low right here.
Same sell stop you had before, eh?
Yeah.
950.
164, 950.
I think that top wick's going to be very telling.
Okay, well.
Okay, there we go. Got a top wick at least. So I'm gonna have sell stops here. 164, 950. Oh shit.
Ooh, what? What did I get in? Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm doing market execution right here.
It's what? I did market execution. I got in at 950. I'm fucking professional, let me tell you.
Stops above the previous 30 for about 30 pips.
What's that? 230, 165, 230.
245.
Are you going to use that wick for as a vantage point?
I'm gonna go break even at 164, 790.
790.
Once if it gets to the week and it starts sitting, obviously
we can
but
discuss options when we get there.
164, 790 is the break even point for now. Did you get in on those? Get in on 40.
950. 952 to be exact.
You're not as good as me, my friend. Sorry.
What did you get in at?
950, my friend, on a market execution.
I'm on 952 market execution.
But you 2 pips off from my sell stop. A sell stop would have been 950. Please, you gotta be exact. Alright, round numbers matter. Okay, Connor.
Mine's higher than yours.
Just because you're gonna make 2 ticks more than me, that's fine.
You in 10 pips of profit. I'm in 10.2 pips.
Listen, my friend, at the end of the day, my market execution was like on point of what you said. See. Oh, he has break even, Connor.
Okay, break even, chat. And I'm gonna close half here.
Oh, I think that's a win, eh?
Okay, so close half at about 16 pips. You see this area to the left is quite troublesome, but with volume we could break this area. This is a nice, quick, easy trade. So I want to be securing something and currently in a risk-free trade here.
When I was talking myself, I was like, hey, what's going on here? Why am I gonna top this thing out? I was not accepting it. And then I saw and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, same. I was like, what the fuck was it not accepting?
Why wasn't it accepting? Because the price already went below.
Yeah.
I'm not in. DJ, that means you didn't trust us. Okay. Listen, we said to the people in chat that don't trust us, when we say sell, you buy. Okay. That's how it works. Other shit, DJ. Why don't you buy it?
I mean, no, chat. We always say, take responsibility for your own trades. And this is just me taking my trades live. I'm explaining to you why I'm taking them, so you guys can take away from that. But at the end of the day, the idea here is to share knowledge, share value, and then for you guys to take that and take your own trade. So if you don't like it, don't take it.
All the SMC guys take the opposite trade part.
Yeah, SMC guys, you can take the opposite trades.
Excellent trade, boy.
I really don't like the SMC, bro.
Dude, what is Wayne saying?
The Boerewors drop bad.
Yeah.
141. Oh, he's starting to take notes here on the stats.
Oh, please don't tell me you named a trade the Boerewors drop.
Not as Wayne.
Yeah. I've been like, what the fuck?
Yeah, showing signs of rejection here.
What time frame are you guys on? You'll see at the bottom of Connor's stream, you'll always get the date, the pair name, and then the time frame he's trading. And if anybody wants that indicator, it is called the AGFX/watermark.
Chat, I'm gonna put my TP at 164,500.
Wayne says, Jared, come on, it's a great name, bro. Look at that move. So when it's a buy, do you call it the Boerewors throw or what?
The Boerewors rocket, bud.
That does not sound kosher.
Can we calm the fuck down, please?
I'm on a 30-minute time frame here. This trade was really based off the hourly.
What's your TP, my friend?
164,500.
Don't give me like that, okay? Thank you.
DJ, sorry, bro. DJ, we can play chess if you want. I actually sent you a message on chess.com just now.
DJ,
I got my rating up again, eh?
Is it? What are you on? 150 now?
155. It was on 150 yesterday, it's 155 now.
No, it was on 130 something yesterday, remember? Now I'm on... give me a second.
From 8 o'clock, Reese, because we start the stream at 8 and then we'll start looking at what trades there are from 8 o'clock onwards. We normally don't sit here till later than 11 though.
Some days, now that London opens a bit later,
yeah,
stream does go on a bit later some days. But most days now we're getting to take advantage of pre-London volume. So streams are actually ending even sooner.
So if we take advantage of pre-London, we'll be done before 11. But if there's nothing been taken, we'll wait for London open and probably wait till London opens, our closes sometimes.
Yeah, these days streams are either really short or really long. There's no in between.
Yeah. 142, but it actually dropped from last night, my last game, because I got frustrated with this one oak. He logs on, plays his first move, then he let the timer go down, and then it also gives you that warning. Then he played again, and it was taking so long, I was getting so frustrated, I just resigned.
Why don't you just wait? You gotta play them for time, bro. You just move your pawns to do stupid shit and then boom.
It was like 1:30 in the morning.
TP inbound.
TP,
Fuck
TP,
it.
TP.
Come here, bot. We're gonna smash TP real quick.
TP is 164,500 dash boy.
I'm a bit done, but 10 past 9. Oh wait, fuck, I can get on with my day, but 10 past 9.
Yeah, I'm gonna play a game of chess after we hit TP here, and then I'm chilling.
Playing chess now, bro. TP gets smashed, it's fine. Didn't even know it happened.
Tomorrow's NFP, I didn't even realize.
What?
First day of
Today-
first Friday of the month. Yeah.
The fuck? Today's Thursday, bro. I thought it was Tuesday.
Yeah, Nico.
Yeah.
Why the fuck am I so?
Okay.
It's my R, gents. That's all I'm saying. It's my R.
No comments.
Shut up.
DJ, do you wanna play?
You just got a rating of 1,800, didn't you see?
No. There's
But
no way.
That's the fuck out right now.
No, I'll play him. We good experience. Nice challenge.
What challenge?
Yeah, I'll get smacked. I'll get wrecked.
So there's this chick, bro, that sits on like New York streets, and then she like challenges anyone, and she's like a master chess player. She's got a rating of like 2,000 or something.
Yeah, I think I've seen her on YouTube.
Oh, and then the one, did you ever watch the video where she got clapped by this other guy?
About that old guy.
Oh, the young guy. There's a young guy that comes and plays her.
The little boy.
There was a little boy, and there was like a 19, 20-year-old guy. 19-20-year-old guy was he like scammed her basically. They played.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
He let her win, and then he said if he beats her now, can he get her like snap or number or something?
Oh yeah. Did you watch that? Did you watch that video?
Yeah, I did. He did beat her.
Yeah, I also watched it.
He beat her badly too.
And then she
Again,
kept coming up on my YouTube suggestions, and Kaylin was asking me, "Who the fuck is this chick? Why are you watching this chick?" Oh my god.
So she plays chess, bro. Like, I gone up, she's a woman that's good at chess. And she's
Yeah. I mean,
she
I'm
dolls
just trying to
herself
learn
up
here.
and goes- she dolls herself up and goes to the streets, like to make like more people watch her. It's normal.
There was also one where
DJ, accept, bro. Come on.
it was this old homeless man, and then he played her, and they played for money, I think, if I can remember the video correctly. And then he plays her and he beats her, and then she gives him the money and she's like, "Do you want a rematch?" And he's like, "Nah, this is my booze money for tonight." So, yeah, it's awesome.
Okay. I guess not.
DJ.
Yeah.
Nico, I'll play you now. No, I'm just in a game.
Nico, do you want to play against me?
To be honest, I'm
Who's
not
this?
too keep you to okay, yeah, we can play one while I wait.
Someone just challenged me, dude.
Alright.
Who challenged you?
I don't know, someone from stream. Clap him, whoever it is.
I don't know if this person is from stream, but they must be. Suck. Now DJ wants to play me.
Can you quickly hop on the 5 minutes?
Salary play. Salary play to TP. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, 5 minute is looking good. If we can break that low of the previous 5 minutes, we should hit TP within a few seconds. 5 minute boerewors drop. It's looking like it, Wayne. It's looking like a boerewors drop. Wayne, just add some chili sauce for us, sir, so we can smack the TP real quick, please.
DJ, I'm also only 600.
Fucking fat kappa.
What do you mean? I'm rated 618.
Yeah, but that's not your actual ranking, but like you play.
It is.
On the game, yes, but I'm saying you are not a 600 level player. You're like a 900 level player.
Oh yeah, no, that's what I said. But
you know, you're adding the chili sauce, sir. Man, I'm gonna go feed my fishes on Mark. DJ, I'll be in.
In my mind, I'm 900 at least. Yeah, you see, gold, we've tapped into 1783, and we're starting to see reactions from this area. So we could see those pullbacks.
You would have gotten 10 pips if you did bar stop on that previous hour, So you would have gotten 10 pips if you bar stop, but
yeah, there just wasn't enough range there for me. Eh?
Not good enough, man. Oh, well, GJ's about to break 5 minute low.
GJTP incoming.
We just need to watch that 15 corner. 15 closes with no bottom wick, bro. I'm closing full.
Yeah, agreed.
We'll see. We've got 50 seconds. Yeah, 100%. If there's no bottom wick on GJ, on 15, I'm closing full. DJ, I don't think he'll pull out of this game to play you, bro, because he doesn't want to take the L. Pull his ranking down.
Just also a lot of rejections here. We need to be careful of this. Before this 15-minute candle closes, I'm going to close another 25% here. So I've closed out 75%. Why am I fucking struggling to talk today? 75% of my position closed at 28 pips. Looks good, yeah, to drive down. New 15-minute could create a top wick. This trade was really nice and quick, easy. So I just want to secure this, call it a day. Can you guys 20 your account in 3 months using your strategy? I'm not too sure what you mean, Tim.
What's 20 your account, bro?
Maybe it means like times 20.
That's fucking retarded. Wayne kills me, bro. Always.
Yeah. If I was a full-time trader, I would put my gym clothes on, smash a session, take the dogs for a walk in the park, but reality I have to answer client emails. Yeah.
Bro, what Gareth did isn't wrong. Like, Gareth knew he was like over risking a bit, so he closed full position at a certain point. Like, maybe his stops were small enough to take the hit, but like, he managed it by getting out top, I think. I don't see anything wrong with that. The money he makes in those 30 pips is what we'll make in 50 pips because he's risking a bit more. So, does it work out? It's valid. Yeah, what?
Hey, Scottsville.
Fuck, okay, yeah, we can.
Does trading funding competitions real? I'm assuming you're talking about funding companies, funding challenges. Yes, they're real.
You do get scams though. So
You do get scams. Have a look at my Forex funds, but yeah, I speak about this all the time. Just understand that funding challenges are not the answer to everything. You need to develop the skill before you are going to see any sort of growth. Yeah, funding challenges are tough. They take advantage of human psychology. So you have to be mature enough emotionally to understand that and be able to override that. When it comes to funding companies, they put you in a box. So you need to be able to take yourself out of that box and, like I say, override the psychological challenges that they give you. Because when it comes to challenges, you have to reach these targets. You have drawdown restrictions. You know, it's difficult to trade in that kind of environment. So you need to get some experience under your belt, whether you're trading demo, whether you're trading a small live account. You're not just going to go into a funding company and become a millionaire.
That was a good move, Jared.
Thank you.
TP inbound. Shit.
Did you fuck up your trade almost? Sexy, Jared.
Been learning.
Let's see some. Sorry if I take long to play, bro. I'm just typing to someone as well as we're doing this. What did you move?
No stress. Just press the arrow. You can search, yeah.
Why did you move pawn to there, bro? Should have moved it one more. You could have beaten me if I took your bishop.
Oh, but then you had me on the horsey thing.
The horsey thing. Oh my
Here's the
goodness.
horsey thing. That doesn't matter. You could have, yeah, but you could have saved yourself. If I chowed you, you could have chowed me because then you could have had my bishop.
What
Then
the fuck?
Oh,
Oh, I'm not focused yet. Shit. Fucking bitch ass.
you said what the fuck, like in a movie.
Nice to meet you from Ecuador. Welcome, Isaac.
Why do you do it now, though, Jared? It's not valid now.
Don't stress. But what wasn't valid?
Moving your pawn there now. If you moved the pawn there before, then you would have chowed my bishop when I played it. You would have been able to eat the bishop. I could have chosen to eat you with my bishop or my knight, yes, but I would have eaten your first thing, you would have eaten my bishop, and then maybe I would have taken you, but you at least got my bishop before.
Hectorino, is that you?
How far we off? Oh fuck, he's media play. Sorry.
Guys, I think I'm just closing full, man.
Connor, let's close full. Go.
Yeah, I'm gonna close full chat.
Go.
37 pip sells here on GJ this morning. Nice and clean. Very easy trade. So that's me done for the day.
What I'm telling you, if you eat my queen, bro, I'm gonna eat your queen.
Wait.
That's the problem.
We mutual respect. We leave the queens alone.
Yeah.
That's bullshit.
Fuck off! No, that's not bullshit. Our queens are literally looking at each other from across the board, Connor. There's nothing in between, bro.
Just chow them.
No, but then if I chow his, he takes mine.
100%.
It's chilled. It's just a trade.
It's just a trade.
It's a break-even trade.
No. We can't accept that.
I always put the horsey thing in the way.
Okay. Hectorino, you're gonna get destroyed. It's time for a rematch.
No. Oh,
Yeah.
Wait, never mind. I figured it out.
Okay, wait, let me play DJ quick. DJ, are you ready? I started stream same time as always, 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Don't be childish. Don't be childish, DJ. No. Don't do that to me. Thought we were friends, bro.
You would.
This guy's trying to checkmate me in like 4 moves.
What did you just do?
Move the horsey thing to B7.
Gold bars above 1784 look good. 100%.
Already irritate me.
Thank you. At least you're not laughing. So there's progress.
Yet. Good morning. Thanks for the streaming. It's really helping. I'm glad if you're taking notes. I'm glad it's helping you, Connor. Someone's saying thank you.
It's a pleasure, bro. That's the goal. So I'm glad it's helping. Appreciate your support. Man, this is whack. DJ, let's start again, dude.
Connor, you made your bed, you better lay in it.
Trapped bugger. Actually, no, you're not.
Oh,
Yeah.
testing boy. I'm gonna eat that thing. I'm telling you. Don't test me. You're gonna take my queen too, but we're gonna get there.
Oh shit.
Here we go again.
Came very close to TP on GJ, but very happy with how the trade played out. Hey Johnny Sins, what's up?
Wow.
Pato Niku. Weet je wel.
Fuck, I want to, bro, but you're gonna eat my
Pato.
No problem. Eat him, bro. Go for that knot. Oh, take him, bro. I don't mind taking more, bro. I don't mind, dog. It's not like... I can't do that. Fuck, Jared, you monkey. Yes. Actually, no, bro. How did you do that?
What?
Why did you play queen there? You should have moved your king, bro. You could have moved your king closer to my knot, because when I can't eat you if you come closer, you didn't have to sacrifice your queen for that. You could have gone top left with your king and left your queen there.
See that now. Why not? Hindsight trading 2020.
You can eat the knot now with your king. You know, there.
Yeah. You two win. Have a good one. And we'll check you again soon, eh? Well, probably tomorrow.
Cheers, Wayne. Check you.
Oh, sure, Wayne. Take it easy, bro. What are you doing, you monkey?
Get rid of that guy that thought you called him a monkey, eh?
Oh shit, man was touched.
Fuck, I think Niku's won.
Yeah, these stupid bots on the Discord. So the one day... Well done, DJ, thank you. So the one day on the Discord there's a bot, and then I don't think you realized it was a bot, so he just said, "Who's this monkey?"
Yeah, because he said stupid shit, bro. So I was really calling that person a monkey, but it was a bot. So...
And then I deleted their messages. And then this other guy who had messaged previously in the Discord, he thought Nico was talking to him. So this guy asks Nico, "Are you calling me a monkey?" Fuck. He was quite touched.
We're about to have a stream fast.
No, DJ, you hold your own there. I mean, I'm not the greatest either, trust me.
Fuck off, Niku.
Your rating is better than mine, DJ.
He's bought some chess points. Eh?
I wish. Send me chess signals, please. Okay, chat. I'm not going to waste you guys' time. This is me done for the day. Nice sells here on GJ to start the month of December. So that's going to be it.
Dude, Niku's got 3 queens.
How the fuck, Jared? Isaac,
Niku, you won.
So this strategy is just price action, just looking at how the candles are forming. I'm looking at market structure. You can go and have a look at the most recent video I posted on YouTube about technical analysis. and you'll get a pretty good understanding there. So it's not based off trading news, but I do take into account news. I do take into account fundamentals, and I touch on that in that video as well. So go and have a look at that.
You want to play again, Jared?
Nah.
But anyway, chat, thank you so much for joining today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take it easy, and I'm out of here.
Thanks for
Sure, bro.